Hi Sagittarius, today I'm going to do a complete love reading. This is November bi-weekly reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video guys, then it will reach more people and thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. So Sagittarius, alright, fine. Sun, moon, rising and wing. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and reading for charger. So let's start the reading. Let's see what is happening in your relationship. Two of Pentacles, the Tower, Three of Cups and Seven of Wands under the deck. Lot of juggling energy, Tower moments, third party situations, and lot of obstacles. Especially the Tower with Seven of Wands, no strong foundation. You both are always juggling, or one person always juggling here, and third party situation also. So let's clarify these cards. Devil, Two of Cups, and Two of Pentacles is clarified by Eight of Cups under the deck, Ten of Pentacles. Again, the love Three of Cups is clarified by the Devil, which means definitely strong third party situation involved here. So due to third party situation, you both are not on the same page, no mutual love, no mutual respect here. And some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy, especially Capricorn. And the Tower is clarified by Two of Cups. So due to third party, definitely no strong foundation, because every relationship should have mutual love and respect. But here, there is no mutual love, there is no mutual respect. And Two of Pentacles is clarified by Eight of Cups. So that's why, due to juggling energy, one person want to walk away, or you both mutually want to part ways. For some, definitely we both are in the situation like that. This is not going to work anymore. Now we can go our own ways. So some of you, you're thinking like this. And for some, definitely financial issues, but it's very rare. The financial issues will be there, but very low chances. But majorly third party and juggling energy, no stability. And some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy is here. So let's see your person's current feelings and their true intentions towards you, Sagittarius. Strength, Page of Wands, the Star, Ten of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and Six of Cups under the deck, the Empress. So your person definitely thinking about you very positively. They thinking that you're very strong emotionally, or right now you're focusing on yourself, and they wishing for this connection. Still they really want to communicate with you, because Page of Wands with the Star, and their intentions: Ten of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and Six of Cups. Maybe some of you have some family issues, so your person want to sort out the family situation here. And Six of Wands with Six of Cups, they want success in this relationship. If you are in separation, your person want to have a successful reunion with you, and they really want to open up with you. The woman in this connection could be pregnant also, and one person in this connection is very popular or successful than other person. Financially, one person is very, very stable. Definitely, a person is thinking about to reach out to you and want to fix things with you. And some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energy, especially Leo. Then some of you are dealing with Aquarius, air sign. So let's see your current feelings and intentions, Sagittarius. Three of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Seven of Swords. Your intentions, the Moon, Wheel of Fortune, Seven of Pentacles, and Three of Swords. I already told you, strong third party involved. So that's why you right now feeling very, very sad. You're feeling heartbroken because of third party, because Seven of Swords is here. You believing that your person is cheated on you. So that's why you are losing your nights over them, and you are literally overthinking, and you are not active anymore. You're just focusing on yourself. You're trying to be calm, patient, overthinking. You are in like very mixed energy, but majorly you're very, very sad. Okay, because Three of Swords with Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords is a toxic energy. You need to come out of that energy as soon as possible. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck because you don't want to entertain any third party in your relationship. So you are very clear you don't want this third party in your life. And some of you are dealing with Pisces water sign, and lots of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. So that's why you're not active, you're feeling sad, and you're overthinking. And right now, you're not able to overcome these sudden changes in your relationship because you suddenly came to know the truth about third party here. So let's say you post the next move or next action. Knight of Swords, Ten of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and Eight of Wands. See, you are not taking any action. You're just sitting and feeling sad. Now your person is going to reach out to you. They are rushing to talk to you because they know that you know the truth. They realize that you already know the truth, so that's why they are rushing to talk to you. They want to say apology, whatever, but they really want to talk to you. I'm seeing action card, so very soon you are going to receive communication from their end. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Ace of Cups, Page of Swords, Five of Pentacles, and Temperance. See, they are going to offer a new beginning, but you are going to be very, very patient. You want to spend some time alone, and they are going to spy you. Clarified by Six of Swords, Temperance, and Four of Pentacles, and Magician. But you will hold yourself back, Sagittarius, no matter what. But they will wait for you. I'm seeing you are moving on because you don't want to this third party situation anymore. So that's why even though they are ready here, but you decided to move on. It's your decision only, and you will be in your energy. Some of you are dealing with under Sagittarius fire sign because you don't want to trust this person again. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding the situation you are in right now. Queen of Swords, which means you have to be logical than emotional. And Two of Swords, if you are at some crossroads, take your own time and make your decision. The World, which means you need to spend some quality time with yourself. Let go of control issue, allow the situation to unfold naturally. So don't control the situation, and don't let them control you. Finances and career, financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So always think positive. Passion, intense chemistry, like each other equally, having fun. Love, unconditional love, self love, oneness, passion, affection, and attraction. Addiction, codependency, obsession, possession, controlling, has a block and restraint. So, self love is very, very important. And even though you both still have passion, Sagittarius, you decided to move on. It's very clear. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.